Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Play Store and signing into the Google account that receives the notifications. Once done, tap your profile icon in the top right to reveal account options. This gets you to settings fast. Make sure the app is updated, because newer versions group notification controls differently. You're not just stopping alerts, you're managing channels so future updates behave. With the profile menu open, move to Notifications. This is where granular controls live and where you'll make the first real changes. Now you're inside Notifications, where Play Store lists channels, updates, offers, security, and installed app prompts. You can toggle an entire category off to stop that class of notifications. Use this when you never want promotional messages. Alternatively, open a category to change sound, vibration, or importance when you want quieter alerts but not full silence. For precision, scroll to Installed Apps to turn off auto-update prompts or review requests. This prevents repetitive banners without a finish by confirming your changes and cleaning up residual triggers. If notifications keep appearing, clear the Play Store cache or app data. This forces the app to apply new settings. Next, check Android settings under Apps Notifications to ensure system-level rules aren't overriding Play Store preferences. Reboot the device to finalize any changes. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Google account, or update the Play Store. These steps reset sync and usually resolve stubborn notification behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.